Judicial matters now. Justice Raman Oshodi of the Lagos State Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja has remanded former Governor of Central Bank, Godwin Emefiele, and one Henry Omole after their arraignment for alleged corruption. Emefiele has more.
Godwin Emefiele is back in Lagos to answer to criminal charges. Unlike the earlier charges of alleged illegal possession of firearms which the federal government brought against him in the state and were later withdrawn, this time the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, prosecuting the case at the Lagos State Special Offences Court, told Justice Raman Oshodi that it was ready to open its case against the defendants. The former CBN governor pleaded not guilty to 23 counts of alleged abuse of office by allocating forex without bids to individuals and entities, illegally accepting gratification, corrupt demands, fraudulent receipt of property, and converting corrupt advantage, while Isioma Omole pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of accepting gifts of $310,000 for Mr. Emefiele as reward for the illegal allocation of foreign exchange. The alleged fraud sum, which amounts to more than $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira, is said to be punishable under the Lagos criminal laws, as well as the Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Act. After the arraignment, the EFCC counsel, Rotimi Oyedepo, SA, and requested for a date for their witnesses to give evidence, saying some of them were exhibiting fears ahead of the trial and so would need to give their testimonies in camera so as to protect their identity. Defense counsel Abdul Hakim Labilawal also urged the court to grant the defendants bail on self-recognizance or on liberal terms pending the determination of the case. He says Mr. Emefiele was already enjoying and complying with bail conditions granted by an Abuja High Court in another charge and was due to be arraigned in a fresh trial in Abuja next week. The EFCC didn't oppose the bail applications but urged the court to exercise its discretion judiciously. The judge ordered that Mr. Emefiele be remanded at the EFCC custody and for the co-defendants to be remanded at the Ikoyi custodial facility until the next adjourned date, April the 11th, for ruling on the bail applications and for further hearing. Kemi Folade Emo, TVC News, Lagos.